VERB stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is Verb Technology company stock a buy? I'm breaking all this down in this brief short 1 minute video. This is a crazy good pump. When it's pumping up like this, I'm just definitely willing to squeeze the most juice that I can out of this. And by the way, I'm still going to stick to my edge that I've refined over 44,000 videos and 5 years of experience. All on my YouTube channel documented. How this particularly looks like is, here is the top. Here's the demand. And only if I see the confirmation, only then I'm buying. Now, it's about being patient. You know, I know you might love to just start pulling the triggers, buying like crazy left and right, but I would just been like, I've been just like reinforced with my edge that if I stick to the rules, I'll be okay, and that's when money's made. Now, this is my 2 cents. It's not financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.